Actually, how to means because it's a distributed computing. How are you going to debug the program?
Yes, so very fantastic question. I think we'll look at it today. In fact, so the reason it's a fantastic question because again, like I said, level of abstraction. Okay, if you have a small sample of your data, and if you write a program using MapReduce, you can forget about Hadoop and everything else. You can forget about where your data is, and you can still debug it as if it was, as if it's your job that's running on the cluster. Okay, there are multiple ways to do that, and so the API is the way it is designed. That level of abstraction, it gives you that wonderful capability that you can forget about distributed processing, right? Because this is a difficult problem, right? Even if for example, I write a small web application, I deploy it on Tomcat. How many of you have done that? Everyone, right? Then you go to the browser and you try to load the page. What do you see? 404. What do? You debug it. How much time does it take you? It can drive you crazy, right? So it is a problem. Any distributed computing has a fundamental issue of very high level of complexity. Correct? But you will see, in fact, we will do some very simple debugging, and when you write scripts today, that you don't have to, you can forget about, you don't have to worry about the complexity of Hadoop. And you can debug your script or application. Okay. There are also testing frameworks, and you can use those. So you can write code in a sane manner. Okay. You don't have to worry about which of the 15,000 nodes has got an issue on line 73, right, of your code.